Hello guys, transparency 2 is dead, man. All right, we want to show you how you can achieve this using vignette effect. Look at how it blends so well with the background and it blends across this. So right now, let's dive in straight without no much waste of time. Let's bring in the same image. Let's go to our desktop from here. So this is our image in which we will be dropping here. Let's scale it up, and then at this juncture, let's readjust it, and then let's compare between the transparency and the vignette. So first of all, let's delete this. Let it go, and then let's duplicate it to this other corner. Erase. For now, when you are making transparency, it allows you to select the transparency, drag it in, you make adjustments in this layer to make it fill and then pin into the background. But then you have to bitmap at every section to allow you to still fade in other parts at this juncture. So first of all, we want to see the level at which it assimilates. We want to compare it with the vignette. So for the vignette, you can click on your object like this. Let's go to effects, click on effect, click on creative, then click on vignette from here. From vignette, it has a magical way of making it seamlessly affect it without any difficulty. It has different styles. You have your, for instance, let's come here. You see from the ends, and then there's an offset for you. Let's increase the offset. The offset means from the top. Yes, if you decrease it, you see the level. This is the offset, and then you see the fade. It fades in. Look at it, fades in without any bond. Look at the fade in. It comes in so seamlessly that it's better than this of the transparency tool, and it fades in. It gives you a precision or a way to achieve it without difficulty. For instance, let's add the preset. This is the offset. Let's add the offset. And let's see how it will be. We have this in square. Let's see. You can check the square format. You can come to rectangle, the rectangle base. Look at the cycle, and then click on OK. And the level to which you can get this vignette effect is very, very, very key. So right now, as you can see from this, the transparency tool, you are only allowed to bitmap. For you to make any effect, you can bitmap. The only option or the only criteria you can have from here, you can select this transparency, come to cycler. It also has a cycler way of doing it. You can drag it. Let's say you have drag it, then click in the middle, reduce it to 0, then click at the end, drag it to 100. So at this point in time here, you can sweat scale and to achieve or strive to achieve your goal differently using different tools. But at this juncture, you can see the comparison between the two, which is the best and most. I wish to see your comments in the comment section. Which one do you want to go with? I know most people will be thinking, should we go with this? Should we go with this? Let's hear it in your comment section. Thank you and subscribe for more.